Listen, everybody wants to get the bag, but not everybody wants to put the work in. So let me show you how we do it around here. What's good, fam? It's your other brother Adam, Get Bags. Today we're going to be downloading a list of stocks so that we can do bulk analysis. This data is going to come from 3 different exchanges: Amex, NYSE, and NASDAQ. Listen, everybody wants to get the bag, but not everybody wants to put the work in. So let me show you how we do it around here. Okay, so pop open your Google and go to eoddata.com. Okay, right here they have a free account. You go ahead and sign up, and then pop over here to symbol lists. So it looks like the first one we got here is Amex. We're gonna go ahead and go download that. And next, let's do NASDAQ. Go ahead, download that. And then we'll do the New York Stock Exchange and go ahead and download that. Okay, and then we'll pop that open in our Finder window. And we've got our text files here. So go ahead, open up Excel. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our text files, we're gonna copy the whole text file and then paste it directly into our Excel file. Okay, so that was the NYSE, got that. Next I got the NASDAQ, so go to the bottom and then paste it, and then you're gonna have to remove the headings. And then lastly, Amex, go ahead, select all and copy, paste it. And then again, clear those headings out. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna select everything, and then we're gonna remove any duplicates that we have from each of these exchanges. So go ahead, click into the data tab here after you selected all of your items, and then remove duplicates. Bam. And then my data has headers. Yes, it does. Now it doesn't. Okay, looks like 3 duplicates were taken out. And from visual inspection, looks like we're pretty good to go there. Okay, and then what we're gonna wanna do is go ahead and save this as, you could turn it into a table if you really want. So then you got a nice neat table. Oh, that doesn't work. Let's do it. Click the headers button. There we go. So now I have a nice neat table and everything looks good there. And then we're gonna save this. Save it. We'll call it ticker list. How about that? All right, that's good. Now we got our file here, and we're going to be able to refer to this in other programs. So we have a universe of stocks that we can choose from. Okay, that's it for now.